हेलो किड्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं अल्फ़ाबेट ए से लेकर जेड तक। ए, बी, सी, डी, ई, एफ, जी, एच, आई, जे, के, एल, एम, एन, ओ, पी, क्यू, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, A, A for alligator. A for alligator. B, B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C, C for cow. C for cow. D, D for doll. D for doll. E, E for ear. E for ear. F, F for five. F for five. G, G for guitar. G for guitar. H, H for hospital. H for hospital. I, I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J, J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K, K for king. K for king. L, L for lotus. L for lotus. M, M for mango. M for mango. N, N for nose. N for nose. O, O for orange. O for orange. P, P for penguin. P for penguin. Q, Q for squirrel. Q for squirrel. R, R for ribbon. R for ribbon. S, S for star. S for star. T, T for train. T for train. U, U for up. U for up. V, V for vegetables. V for vegetables. W, W for whistle. W for whistle. X, X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y, Y for yeast. Y for yeast. Z, Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A for alligator. B, B for butterfly. C, C for cow. D, D for Doraemon. E, E for ear. F, F for five. G, G for guitar. H, H for hospital. I for ink pot. J, G for jellyfish. K. K for king. L. L for lotus. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for squirrel. R. R for ribbon. S. S for star. T. T for train. U. U for up. V. V for vegetables. W. W for whistle. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yeast. Z. Z for zigzag। तो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।